Hey guys, what's up? You can see I make this topology, so I configure this topology. Okay, so at first you can see this is VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. I can take 3 PC and 3 PC, total 6 PC I can take. Okay, and I can take a multi-layer switch and a router. Okay, so now I configure this topology. At first I configure this router. Okay, I can see this cable serial gigabit ethernet 0 by 0 by 0. Okay, now I configure this router. Go to CLI, enable configure terminal interface gigabit ethernet 000. Okay, then I take at my IP address 1.1. Okay, and my subnet mask. Then I sorry, no shutdown. Okay, then I look back here 1.1.1.1 258.0.0.0, then no shutdown, then exit. Now I can check this configuration is totally successful. Why I check? Show IP int brief. At first of all, we can check our configuration and cable. Yeah, it's up, status up and protocol up. Now we can go to multi-layer switch and creating VLAN. Okay, multi-layer switch CLI. Sorry. Enable config terminal. At first we VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Okay, then I exit now. Then interface fast Ethernet cable 1. You can see cable 1, 2 and 3 is VLAN 10. Okay, and cable 4, 5 and 6. Yeah, cable 4, 5 and 6 VLAN 20. And cable 7 is trunking mode. Okay, I mean trunking port. So multi-layer switch I open and fast Ethernet 0 range. Fast Ethernet range 0 by 1 1 2 3. Okay, because why 1 2 3? Because I have 3 PC cable. In cable is this cable. Okay, cable 1, cable 2 and cable 3. We see because this is 3 PC I creating VLAN 10. Okay, then we can write switch port access VLAN 10. Okay, then exit, then interface pass ethernet 0 by 4 to 6. Okay, sorry, interface range pass ethernet 0 by 4 to 6 switch port access VLAN 20. Okay, now we exit and interface fast Ethernet 0 by 7, our last port. So our last port we can apply trunking. Okay, switch port mode and switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1q switch port mode trunk. So now I configure switch port fast Ethernet by 0 by 7 cable. We are now trunking successfully. So I now exit. Then I check this. Show VLAN. Okay, show VLAN brief. Now you see VLAN 10 fast Ethernet 0 1 2 3 cable and VLAN 20 our fast Ethernet 4 5 6 cable. Okay, this is 2 divided port by VLAN. So now I can check. First of all, I can PC assign 1.2. Our subnet mask and we can take default gateway 1.1. Okay, then VLAN 20 I can first PC assign 16 1 by 5 and and our default gateway same. Okay, now I can this PC to this PC pinging now. Okay, ping test. So ping 1.5. Okay, so our message failed. Surely message failed because this is applied to VLAN, not static, not OSPF. Okay, request timeout, request timeout. Request timeout. Yeah, this is our topology and configured successfully. So is this video, we can now successfully VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 configuration.